Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to disconnect wireless neckband on mobile phone, from mobile phone. Okay, so friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to switch on this wireless neckband. Okay, if you don't know how to switch on, at first you have to just press this middle button. Okay, just press this middle button as you are switching on the mobile phone. Okay, so here the light will be shine like this. It means the wireless neckband has been switched on. After that, if you want to disconnect, just move on setting. Then from here you can move on this Bluetooth. So here is the wireless neckband and it has been connected. Okay, so just click here on this I option. After you have been click on it, here you can see device name is ptron BT, and if you want to disconnect, here is the disconnect option, and if you want to unpair, here is the unpair option. Okay, but you want to disconnect, then just click on disconnect. So here it has been disconnect. Okay, change device, wait. So when it has been disconnect right now, right? And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.